tremors were felt as far away as Kolkata, and I'm told we do have Priyanka Gupta joining us. Priyanka, you felt the tremors yourself. You're talking to people there. Was there considerable concern? Were these strong tremors that you felt earlier?
Well, people are evidently very rattled. In fact, I was in the office when I felt the tremors. My chair started shaking and everybody started rushing down the stairs. And the moment we got there, we saw many people rattled, of course, and waiting really for the tremor to sort of, get off. And they were hoping that there are no aftershocks. In fact, we do have some people who felt the tremors. Where were you at that time, and what did you feel at that time?
I was at the 4th floor of my office, and I saw that my cup of coffee started shaking in my hand, and I was slightly unbalanced from my chair. Then I got that it's an earthquake, and I just ran out from there to the downstairs.
Right. आप भी नीचे थे जब मैंने आपको देखा. कहाँ पे थे आप और जब earthquake हुआ और आप किस हालात में थे?
एक्चुअली मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था और जब गाड़ी चला रहा था तो मुझे एहसास हुआ कि कुछ मुझे इनबैलेंस हुआ है. तो मैं सोचा कि कुछ मेरा चक्कर उक्कर आया शायद, तो मैंने रुक गया. जब रुक गया तो मैं क्लियर देख रहा हूँ कि मैं पूरा हिल रहा हूँ. तो मैं एकदम पूरा डर गया. लास्ट टाइम मैं फाका जगह देख के मैं वहीं पे जाके साइड रख के वहाँ पे वेट कर रहा हूँ कि अब रुकूं तो या आगे जाऊँ पर.
Mild tremors in Kolkata, but people, of course, were extremely apprehensive when it happened. In fact, for the longest time, about 5-10 minutes from the time when we felt the tremors, there were people still waiting downstairs. Many high-rises, in fact, were evacuated. There are many high-rises around the area where we are, and in fact, many of the shopping malls, people just went down, slammed down the stairs, and people were just generally waiting, fearing that maybe there could be aftershocks. But as of now, we haven't felt any. And as the gentleman who spoke to you earlier said, that the tremors aftershocks would be felt in and around the epicenter, which is Sikkim and Nepal region. So Kolkata has definitely some cheer, can extract some cheer from that.
So at least you can tell those people around you some amount of relief there. Priyanka, do stay with us. I do want to come back to you, but to go back to Karma, because the concern, Karma, is going to be that Sikkim-Nepal border, because the Director of Seismology, the IMD, telling us pretty clearly that you can expect to see more aftershocks. In fact, they recorded 2 already, a fairly high, Karma 6.1 and 5.3. The concern is going to be of damage being done in that area.
Yes, Amrita, if they are talking about the area which is bordering Nepal, then we are looking at west of Sikkim. West of Sikkim, the highest populated town is called Gezing. Now, Gezing is also a pretty congested town. I think that is the area of concern. And there are a number of villages along the border. The famous trekking route that all the tourists take also falls under this route. So and a number of tourists go to this region. So I think till we get a report from the district headquarters of West Sikkim, it will be it will certainly be a worry.
And Karma, again to ask you, you're saying that this is known to be, of course, a area of high seismic activity. The Director of Seismology telling us, of course, the entire Himalayan region known to be so. And yet people you've spoken to, they're saying this is the strongest quake they've felt in recent times.
Yes, Amrita. In fact, I spoke to my cousin. He says he rushed out of the house. In fact, everybody at that point, there was panic in the city. There was complete chaos and complete panic. And for a moment, there was no electricity, and this is expected, of course. All the phone lines went down. So whatever people could grab, they just rushed out of their homes, and they felt this for quite some time. Now what has happened is most of the people have rushed to open spaces in capital Gangtok. Now that is a difficulty because of the congestion, because of the buildings, the high-rise buildings that have come up in capital Gangtok, it is very, very difficult to find such open spaces. So football fields, nearby paddy fields, whatever they can find, people have parked themselves out there. We're still waiting to hear of the official figures.
Right.
If you're talking about the Nepal border, West Sikkim, district headquarters, Gezing, I think there the maximum impact will be felt.
Certainly. Let's go back to Priyanka, who's joining us live this evening from Kolkata. Priyanka, you were talking to some rattled residents there of Kolkata because the tremors felt there were fairly strong. In fact, we're being told tremors felt from Jaipur. This is cricketer Akash Chopra tweeting tremors felt in Jaipur. We spoke to S.Y. Qureshi in Bhutan, where again there seems to have been considerable damage. He was talking about cracks in the hotel he's staying in. Priyanka, what are you learning in Kolkata at this point?
as far as Bengal is concerned, Amrita, the extent of damage isn't really very high. In fact, we have hardly heard any reports of damage anywhere, not even cracks. In fact, we have been in touch with the administration, and they've said that there were mild tremors that were felt in Kolkata, but of course tremors were also felt in areas like Malda, Murshidabad, as well as Siliguri. Bengal, because of its proximity to Sikkim, of course, did feel the tremors sort of spreading through. And yes, we spoke to a lot of rattled people who were rushing downstairs, looking for open space, and many of them, in fact, in our office building, they took care. They did not take the lift. There was a lot of panic among the people, because Kolkata really, I mean, for a really long time, we haven't felt something like this, an earthquake or a tremor of this sort. Today is a Sunday, remember, it's a Vishwakarma Puja. A lot of people, a lot of office goers came on this particular day, on a Sunday, to their office for this particular festival. So yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, in the evening at around 6:27, we saw a lot of frightened people downstairs, in the building where we are, and a lot of people were there at the open space. In fact, we have a gentleman who was here near the gate. आप कहाँ पे थे उस समय? और
गेट के सामने थे उस समय। धीरे धीरे शरीर चक्कर जैसा आने लगा। उस समय क्या हुआ कि लगता था कि जैसे शरीर चक्कर आ गया, बहुत तेज धीरे धीरे आ गया। उसके बाद गेट के पास हम पकड़ लिए कि सहारा मिलेगा, तो गेट भी वहाँ पर चक्कर आने लगा।
Right, so really people, telling them about their experience. This gentleman, of course, was near the gate, and he thought that his head was reeling. In fact, that was something that many of the people we spoke to felt. They felt slightly nauseous. They didn't know if it was really a tremor or an earthquake. They thought that maybe it was something that their chair. Many of the people, in fact, fell off the chair. So really, I mean, for a long time, people did not know there was an earthquake. Till, of course, it started flashing on television channels, and they realized that a 6.8 magnitude of earthquake has really hit Sikkim, and the tremors were felt as far as Bengal.